Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about that in a topic animal tissue. So cells is joined to form a tissues. The tissues joined to form organisms. All the organism it is made up of cell. The group of cell same structure and function and perform a same function, that is we called a tissue. There is four kinds of tissues there. First one is a epithelial tissue, second one is a nervous tissue, third one is a muscular tissue, fourth one is a connective tissue. The connective tissue having a vascular tissue also. The first one is a epithelial tissue. It is covering the body. Okay, body covering, it is made up of a epithelial tissue. All the organ inside organ also it is present that in a epithelial tissue. It is having in a many kinds: simple squamous, stratified squamous, columnar and cuboidal, and some also having there glandular and ciliated columnar also. Simple squamous, it is closely packed and it is present in that in a lungs, alveolar ambits. It do the function of transport of oxygen. It is in a single layer cell and irregular in shape, closely packed. Do you able to see the cell nucleus structure? Only it is in a violet color given. The yellow color is adipose tissue. The next one is a stratified squamous. The same it is present in that in a skin layer. Okay, do you able to see that in a closely packed cells, but it is in a many layers. Columnar epithelium, it is present in that in a small intestine. Okay, it is absorption, it is do the function. Okay, intestine, the tube wall it is opened condition it is given. Is you see the white color part is absorbed by that in a cells only. It is in a pillar shaped cell. Okay, elongated pillar shaped cell and a nucleus also present. The next one is a cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium, it is cube in shape. It is present in that in a kidney. Okay, ma, and also some other it is glandular also they having there. Okay, glandular also having there. It do the function of secretion, and one more it is present that in a ciliated columnar. It is present that in a cilia. Next one is a nervous system. Nervous tissue it is made up of neuron or nerve cell. It is having as a cell body and a nucleus. It is have a branched structure, that is a dendrite, and only one long structure, it is we called a axon. So what is the function it is doing means, when we touch that in a thorn, it pick in our hand, we are remove that. It how it has happened. So when we touch during the time, the neuron connection it is there. Okay, the sensation it is carried by that in a neuron as a electrical symbol. Okay, you see that in a signal drama. Okay, it is moves as in a white color. It is electric, it is in a so fast. So want to see, so that only it is going as in a very, it is this message is carried by that in a brain, and the brain make order to that in our hand, make to take our hand. Okay, so the order, this is a controlling center, that is also made up of neuron only. Brain also made up of neuron only. The next one is a nervous tissue. After we are going to see the muscular tissue. Here it is in a body, it is given as a full of covered with the muscle only. So among that the muscle it is having in a three types. Okay, So whole body it is covered within a muscle. The first one we called a skeletal muscle, second one we called a smooth muscle, third one we called a cardiac muscle cell. So skeletal cell, it is in our voluntary movement we are possible to move. Okay, so it is skeleton means it is in a bone, it is joined to that in a bone, so that only it is given. And also it is having a light bond and a dark bond in a muscle, so only it is called as a starified muscle. Okay, the next one we are going to see about that in a smooth muscle cell. So where is possible to see means in it is an involuntary function, so it is working with the conscious or without conscious, it's start to work. Okay, our digestive system, it is elastic in nature, it is having that, it is present in that in a spindle shaped cell and blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels, see the blood vessel structure, that is also it is in a spindle shaped smooth muscle cell. It is involuntary in function. Okay ma. The next one is we are going to see the cardiac muscle cell. Cardiac muscle cell, it is made up of heart. Okay, it make a heart, it is a special present only in heart. Okay ma. So what is the difference means it is in a branched in structure, that's only difference between the skeletal and this is also involuntary muscle only. Okay, automatically it works, it is not control our conscious. That is next one is a connective tissue. Okay, connective tissue, that is having that in a connective tissue many. Okay, so what are they we are going to see now. The first one is a blood. Now it is coming under in your book vascular tissue. Then bone, cartilage and ligament, alveolar, and also it is present that in a adipose tissue. Okay, the first one we are going to see that in a blood. In your book it is given as a vascular tissue. It is having that in a 4 components. The first one we are able to see it is a, the first one we are able to see it is a plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells likewise. It is a skeleton part of our body. Inside our body it gives that in a greatest support to us. Bone to bone it is connected by a ligament. Okay, connective tissue means there is a connection only. So what it connect means bone to bone it connect means that is we called as a ligament. Okay, so it is having a soft bone also, that is we called a cartilage. While it is in a moving place, it is having us in a cartilage. It is having that in a adipose tissue. Adipose cells it is present, it is stored that in a fat. Inside the cell you are able to see that in a large yellow space, that is adipose tissue. Okay, now it is in a conclusion, epithelial, nervous, muscular tissue and connective tissue. Okay, so epithelial tissue it is having that in a simple epithelium, stratified squamous. So now it is in a conclusion, the same part only. Animal tissue, epithelium, nervous, muscular, connective tissue. What are they? Epithelium, nervous, muscular, connective tissue. Epithelium outer covering. Okay, it is outer covering, it is present in a epithelial tissue. It is in a many kinds, simple squamous, stratified squamous, columnar, and then cuboidal. Likewise it is present. Skeletal muscle cell, smooth muscle cell, then cardiac muscle cell. Likewise 3 types of muscle cells are there. The nervous system is working present 39 nerves. Neuron is the structure and functional unit of 39 nervous system. Nervous tissue. Okay, thank you.